seatbelts fastened until we arrive at the gate when the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. And at this time, you may now use your cell phones, but please keep your laptops and other carry-on items stowed until we have arrived at the gate. If you are making a connection, connecting gate information is displayed on monitors inside the terminal, and you can always check Alaska Airlines flight status with our mobile app on your smartphone. And for those of you connecting to another flight, all checked baggage will be transferred for you. If this is your final destination, you may pick up your checked bags at the baggage claim. And Alaska Airlines offers baggage service guarantee. Your bags will be on the carousel within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate. And in the unlikely event that they are not, see a customer service agent for miles or a discount off your next flight. We are still actively parked in our spot. We are still in active taxiway, so please keep those seatbelts fastened and please keep the center aisle clear of any articles. And on behalf of the employees of Alaska and SkyWest Airlines, it has been our privilege to serve you, and you can always find us at alaskaair.com. Thank you for choosing Alaska Airlines, and you have a good evening.